In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link someone else's WhatsApp on your phone. This can be really useful if you're helping a family member manage their messages, or if you're troubleshooting an account on another device. We'll walk through the process slowly and clearly, so you can follow along without any confusion. First, make sure you have WhatsApp installed and updated on your own phone. Open the app, and from the main chat screen, look for the menu icon. On most phones, this is 3 dots in the top right corner, or a settings tab at the bottom. Tap on that, and then look for the option that refers to devices, usually labeled something like Linked Devices or WhatsApp Web. Go ahead and tap that. Now you'll see a screen that explains how to link a device. On your phone, tap the button that says Link a Device. This will open your camera within WhatsApp, ready to scan a QR code. Don't worry if the camera seems to switch suddenly. That just means WhatsApp is ready for the next step. At this point, you'll need the other person's phone with their WhatsApp account already set up and working. On their phone, open WhatsApp and go to the same Linked Devices section in their settings or menu. There, they should see an option to link a new device. When they tap that, their phone will show a QR code on the screen. Hold your phone over their screen so your camera can clearly see the QR code. Try to keep the code centered in the frame and hold both phones steady. WhatsApp will automatically recognize the QR code. You don't need to press the shutter or take a photo. Once it's scanned, wait a few seconds. After the scan is successful, the other person's WhatsApp account will appear on your phone. You'll start seeing their chats and messages, just like on their own device. Depending on their settings and connection, it might take a moment for all conversations to load. So be patient if it doesn't show everything right away. Remember, this method is intended for situations where you have the owner's permission. They can always go back into their linked devices screen and log out any device they no longer want connected. If you're done helping them, it's a good idea to remove the link for privacy and security. And that's how you link someone else's WhatsApp on your phone, step by step.